Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're excited to showcase the TimeKettle M2. It's a magnetic case and you have two wireless headphones in there. You also have a USB-C charging cable that comes with the package. This is launching on June 9th on Indiegogo. You can get this at about 10 a.m. Pacific time. These are wireless translating earbuds. They have Bluetooth 5.0 and Qualcomm chips inside. So you can listen to music with these. Their previous versions you could not listen to music. So they've upgraded the technology there for music listening and for translation. So the idea is to share these with somebody else. So you can have one in your ear and give someone the other one. And basically it translates between the two. And what's cool about the new version, the M2, is that you can translate while it's offline. You can do 40 different languages in 93 accents, and they have 12 different servers around the world. And I asked the company, and it does even work in China. So that's cool. Basically, it's a personal interpreter in your ear. So if you go to different places or you'll be traveling beyond 2020, which I know I will be, this will be fantastic to hear what other people are saying in their native language to make sure I'm understanding them correctly. And I mentioned before, it has the Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip inside and the offline translation. That's what's really great about these. So you can listen to music if you want with both earbuds, or you can give one to the other person and translate between the two. This is launching June 9th on Indiegogo from TimeKettle. And I really like that the case, you can pull it apart, comes together with magnetics, and there you go. And it shows you the different individual charge levels for each side. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thank you.